A dramatic video has emerged showing a Russian BTR-82 armored personnel carrier firing its main gun uncontrollably. The vehicle unleashed dozens of shells in a fiery burst, apparently due to a technical malfunction after reportedly being struck by a Ukrainian drone. The BTR-82, an evolution of the Cold War-era BTR-80, is designed to carry a crew of 3 and up to 7 troops. Weighing 16 tons, it can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour on paved roads and features amphibious capabilities with water jet propulsion. Its main weapon is a 2A 72-30mm autocannon, capable of firing 330 rounds per minute, with an effective range of nearly a mile against armored targets. The video combines footage from 2 drones, one providing aerial overwatch and another weaponized FPV first-person view drone. At the start of the video, smoke can be seen rising from the BTR's left rear corner as it stands stationary in a field. Some hatches are open, suggesting that crew members may have already evacuated. The BTR is outfitted with visible anti-drone protections, including cope cages, with netting over the gun mount and slat armor around the vehicle's hull. These features are designed to reduce the impact of drone strikes and protect against anti-armor projectiles like rocket-propelled grenades. Moments later, the BTR's main gun begins firing uncontrollably for approximately 20 seconds, cloaking the vehicle in thick smoke. It's unclear whether the gunfire was triggered by a malfunction caused by the drone strike or another factor. While the 2A72 cannon is designed for sustained firing, such extended use can lead to overheating or mechanical failure. Since Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine, over 1,000 BTR-82 series vehicles, including the modern BTR-82 AT variant, have been destroyed, abandoned, or captured, according to data from the Oryx open-source tracking group. These losses have forced Russia to deploy older armored vehicles, such as the 1950s-era BTR-50. While this incident may be an unusual anomaly, it underscores the challenges facing Russian armored vehicles in modern conflict, where drones play an increasingly significant role. If this BTR was eventually destroyed, it would add to the growing list of armored vehicle losses in Ukraine,